The BRESSER 20x50 binoculars comes in a nice carrying case, a micro cleaning cloth, the carrying strap, and an instruction guide. We're going to show you what the binoculars look like nice and close up with a grip of rubber coating made of plastic and optics with prisms. They have covers over the binoculars main, over the eyepiece, and the right Doppler is adjustable with the main focus and the carrying strap, and they get pulled in according to your tempo, your PD. At a ball game, watching birds, animals, or just looking in the distance on the water, on land. These binoculars, they come again in 3 different types of models and strength, 1,000 meters to look at. We're going to show you a sample shot of what the binoculars look like by the beach. I'm out here today with a pair of binoculars to get some shots to see. I could look at that boat nice and close up, and we'll show you through the view of the pair of binoculars. They come with a nice carrying case and a carrying strap. And we're going to show you what this binoculars are all about. This is 20x50 multi-coated optic, 588 meters to 1,000 meters. You have caps on the front, caps on the rear, and they're easily removed. You're able to adjust, you're able to focus and adjust the optics. This is where you add the straps. We'll show you where the boat's at through the pair of binoculars. A close-up shot looking at the duck and the seagulls. The binoculars, able to see 1,000 meters away, nice and clear and close up. Rugged, rubber, plastic, glass optics, adjustable with the adjustable optics with rubber eyelids, soft. Looking for the BRESSER binoculars for your viewing needs? These binoculars may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.